You are rejecting Okowa and Ned. Which person in Okwane that can replace these two? I have said it before and will repeat it again. You Okwane people and bitterness towards the IKA people, it's obvious. But we the IKA don't make noise. We are not moved by Okwane people noise. Show me one person in Okwane region that can outsmart Okowa and Ned on that Senate seat. Hey, it's getting hotter. You know, the times I've read the Bible, there are certain things I've learned from it. As they used to say, no knowledge is a waste. So I don't think the time I've taken to study the Bible is a waste. The Bible teaches that thou shalt not judge, so that you may not equally judged. But it's not a complete statement in the Bible. The Bible talks about you can judge. But he made us to understand that let your judgment be of that of a righteous judge. He said, you shall first of all remove that which is in your eye before you will remove what is in your brother's eye. The problem people stop at thou shall not judge is because they know them too are victim of what they are trying to judge people of. And that's why Jesus said in that parable, if you know you are the man without no sin, first of all cast a stone on this sister. And everybody one by one drop their stone. Like I always said, the tribalism, the ethnic politics we play in Delta State is higher in federal. Thank God for the time we are in. Thank God for social media. Everything is beginning to show. The Okowa emergency is replicating what we saw in the federal when Tinubu come out. When you now begin to say Emiloko, now we get this country. Now we they run am. It is easier for the Anyomans, even including the Okwane, to point finger to the southeastern Igbo. Igbo people want to dominate us. Igbo people feel superior. Igbo people want to take over our land. They want to do this. But see and now, in the same Anyoma, the cars have this superiority mindset. Borrow from their Bini masters. They have this superiority mindset to intimidate their fellow Anyomas. In this case, this person is trying to put Ned Nwoko and Okowa in the same bracket. But I refuse to accept. Because we the Enuani do not behave like this. We have never for one day see the cars as a smaller people. And we never for one day see the Ukwan or the Ndokwa nation as a smaller people. We have played the politics of making everybody to be equal in our eye. But you see, the Ndokwa people are the one that will first accuse us that we are trying to drag everybody to southeast. Now the cars are showing them who they are. Because normally, the cars always feel superior. They feel like they are the one who dominated, who has everything it takes to be the proper. This is why you see people saying Igbo be Igbo. That is who is original Igbo. Who is. These are the mindset. That mindset is what you see them playing out. Superiority concept. Where they feel like saying that them be the one that everybody should listen to. It has become so clear that the problem we are having is not even the Southeasterners that cause it for us. We have been the one causing problem among us. Onyeka is believing that he's more better, more superior because they name you Eka. Or because you are Obi, what do they call him? Den of Abo. Makes you people feel like you are more better than every other person. No wonder the king has the audacity to come and say, we don't speak Ika, we speak Abo. And he wants to be the king of all the people in Ika land. Many of you don't know, there was a time that the entire Anyoma, including the work are called Ika constituency, as of 1934. Go and find out. We are all known down to Ndoni in River State because then there was no state gration. Down to Ndoni, down to Sakuna in Bayelsa, we are all known to be Ika constituency. But today, because there have been a splitting of order, you are now feeling like saying, are you superior? Now you done better than others. You don't make noise. This thing that you write up now, is it not a noise? Is it not show of noise making? The Ndokwa nation has right to be against Okowa, just as we here has right to be against Okowa, and just as you too has right to be against Okowa. They say politics is a game of choice. Whoever chooses whatever he chooses does not matter. But I won't blame you guys. It's in Ndokwa nation I blame. Exactly. They play politics of selfishness, politics of slavery. All their politicians are there leaking Okowa bomb. That is why the IKAs have the right to say what they're saying. Of course, you know that when one Boshe was a senator, he fall out with Okowa. Our and the people does not actually believe in leaking people's acts. I had a lati IKA mado. To Sonia Funazo to anything he say, become our Lord and personal savior. We don't play politics like that. This is why one Boshe fall out with Okowa. Today again, there's a fracas. Political enemy, because I'm not sure if they see each other, they will be enemy. Yes, both of them were together with the vice president when they went to Tony Elumelu father-in-law burial. So they are not actually enemy that I cannot see face to face. I've seen in an organization where Nwoko said that if there's any need for negotiation between him and Okowa, he will attend. So he's a man that wants to make a peace. But we don't leak us. Another Alachi IKA mado. You don't control us. That has been our own. We don't see as superior. We don't see as junior. But we see as equal. And as far as what we are doing is right, we the Nwane, Anyocha Oshimili, play politics of equality, fairness and justice. And everybody has right to follow whoever you want to follow. But we want to make sure that whenever you are following somebody, let it not be for selfish reason, let it not be for tribal reason, let it not be for ignorant reason. Because 99% of the time, it's out of ignorance you make a decision to follow who you are following. This is why the cars has the ability to say what they are saying. I've been saying it right from day one. Ndokwa nation, even the cars, don't you have any other person apart from Okowa? Let's assume he hate Nwoko. Don't you have any other person apart from Okowa? Is the politics made for one family and you are shouting the young shall grow, the leaders of tomorrow? How can you become a leader when you don't try? When every of the people who have ruled before is where you are circulating your leadership. One man keep dominating the whole newspaper, the whole news. One man. Yet the man in the last 20 years has not done anything for any of us. He has been an SSG for 8 years. He has been a senator for 4 years. He has been a governor for 4 years. I don't want to talk about local government. I don't want to talk of commissioner. I don't want to talk of any other position he has occupied. I'm talking of the position he holds, that he has the ability to effect changes, bring development and infrastructure to the environment. Only what he did as a governor is to take university to his village. And at least they tied the road. What else? How many people did he give job? He built his political cartels, not that he invested in people. Because when you say invested, it's just like what Tinubu is doing. God, for that reason, he invested in people he wants, and anybody doesn't want, he removed them. That is why he removed our IKA son and put his own daughter that has married an Yoruba person. But every day, you guys are online insulting the Southeast Igbo. Igbo people do this, Igbo people do that. See, now, among you people, the same Enuan, the same Anyoma, you people have issues. Odoli Bonye, Obunki Bepokodo, the same data not. Some people feel like saying I then on top of each other. I'm saying it so that you'll be clear to you that we have a bigger problem here. And the problem started by identity. It's an identity that made the car feel like say it's superior than Okwani. But like I said, I don't blame the cars, I blame the Okwani. When you people will be playing politics without thinking, one of you are saying that Igbo means slave in your village. If you accept to be Igbo, Igbo means slave in your village. But it be a slave name. Because all your name is Igbo name. Your name is Ezechi, your name is Nandi, your name is Ngozi, your name is Chonogo. Your name no Nyeka. Your name no Sai. Igbo means slave in your language. But with a be slave name. So who can be the slave? Where see no boss, I will and every way. This is why a guy is insulting people. The cars are now insulting every other person. Don't you see, when I said this thing a few years ago, some people think I don't know what I'm saying. Now, the time has reached now, everybody now know who you are. That you are not even united. Because united we stand, divided we fall. That is why we are falling apart. This is why politicians are taking advantage of us in this data done and doing whatsoever they want to do. Playing policies of you cannot come together to support your own person, to get what is right. This is why some of you cannot see the need to support a normal state. You that is the one fighting not to go to Southeast, you are here intimidating your follow that normal person, but you they fear Southeast people not to intimidate you. So what is the difference? It's not better we join them so that they will intimidate you so that you crumble. You are afraid of the Southeast. Are there, even while we are in Delta State, is there anything we are doing better than them? Business, they do pass us. This year, a young Igbo girl built a rocket that has gone to spaceship, and come back. Dr. Wendy, young Igbo girl, Nigerians are doing exploit. How many deltas in the present time have they called say that delta person ain't do this exploit? They go for school quiz internationally, beat other schools. Igbo schools they be Southeast Igbos. Is there any delta one or anyone that have done better? You are crying and wolf that they are intimidating us. They want to dominate us. And they don't dominating before. I'm talking of positive now. They're not dominating. It's not only in the bad that they see us. Our brother Mefere is in the prison for stealing money. Okowa today we are blaming him. We are calling for a EFCC on top of his head for allegedly 1.3 trillion. Is there any governor in South that has stolen such amount of money? You are the ones who do evil but try to gaslight and blame other people for evil you are doing. And these two people I'm called now, Mefele and Okowa, are from the cars. You only feel superior, but you don't have anything better to offer to us in the Anyoma. You don't have anything. Opposition they're giving to you people, you misuse it. Our Minister of State Petroleum came from Enuani, Nonchubo. Nobody is blaming the guy for doing anything wrong in the Nigerian Federality. People even say he's one of the best ministers. Okonji Wala is one-time Minister of Finance from Enuani. Did you see how he performed? To the point today, he's the strongest man, strongest woman in the entire of the world. Even more stronger than President of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Her position in the World Bank is still the best position any woman can ever handle. See the characters we possess in Enuani. You, two positions now we have given to you from IKA. Look at how you have messed it up. Look at how it has messed up. That even we, that are the entire Delta North, cannot say any good thing about the Okowa as a governor. But here you are feeling superior. You still want to support the Okowa. You still want to support the failure. Tomorrow night you'll be blaming government, pointing finger to federal. But the little one behind us, you cannot do. You are treating your fellow Ndokwa nation as a minor. But they blame you. Somebody is there to give us a state that can make all of us free. That can make Ndokwa nation to have their own senator. Because if Ndokwa nation has their own senator, the IKA will not have right to be telling them they should support Okowa or support Nwoko. Exactly. Now it will be between Ndokwa nations to choose who will be their senator. That's how it's supposed to be. It is between you people to choose who will be your House of Rep. And then Okowa cannot be dictating for you who will be your House of Rep, like what they are using SHU to do. Playing politics of godfatherism. Is what Okowa did that you do. Okowa is deciding who will be. But if the state is greater, Okowa's political career will be on the low. New set of people will come, and that will be people that will become out fresh that nobody will be dictated for. But We are doing something that all of us will be free and be equal. You guys are not seeing it. Or you come internet to say, oh, Ned Nwoko insulted us by calling us Igbo. Wait till you come be. If you not be Igbo man, you be. I'm out of here, Joe.